Create receive replacement materials document. Choose receiving space. To open the app, select the receive replacement materials from vendor tile. In the return purchase order type field, enter NB2, choose return purchase order field. In the return purchase order type field, enter 4500211274 and choose execute. Select return purchase order 4500211274. Choose expand. In the replacement subarea, enter 1 in the replacement quantity field and choose receiving storage location field in the goods movement subarea. Enter 171A in the receiving storage location field, choose stock type field. 171A receiving storage location. Select yes block stock in the stock type field and choose save. The purchase order for replacement material created successfully. Make a note of the number and choose continue. So system created one more document 4500211275 has been created. Choose more, go to returns overview. The inbound delivery of replacement material is automatically created. Make a note of the document number. Inbound delivery of replacement material. So 1840212 is the inbound delivery document. You have successfully created a document number for receiving replacement material.